Right now I am putting a hood scoop into a 2014 Cadillac CTS-V that didn't originally come with one. We're actually using the scoop off from a 2019 Cadillac ats-v. So what we did actually was cut out the hole in the hood here, rough shape of this. And actually on the pole max over there, we fabricated a new flange for the hood scoop to sit down in, and then panel bonded it to the underside of the hood. So kind of the next step is I gotta finish off the underside of the hood. This is for a customer, Jim. We've done a bunch of work for him in the past. He likes to go fast, definitely. So I know New Era started off doing a bunch of mechanical work and upgrades up front. It's got a new cam in it, full headers and exhaust system. They upgraded the supercharger. It's got meth injection in it. And then we blacked out the grills, and we actually color matched all the brake calipers. We have a new set of custom made forged line wheels for it that we still have to put on. And then like I said, we're doing the custom hood scoop on there, and then actually once we're all done, we're going to do a full paint correction on the car, and it's getting G-Technique Crystal Serum Ultra ceramic coating done on it. So yeah, right now we're just trying to finish up the hood and get that repainted from putting the hood scoop in there, and we actually also have to paint the scoop itself black to match the grill. And yeah, that's about it after that. Just wrap it up, and he's going to take it home.